Bullish Cardano cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.66 and $3.14 by 2030. Market experts accept ADA could reach $1.29 by 2025. Bearish Cardano market cost expectation for 2023 is 29 cents. Cardano presentation: the digital money market is increasing continuously. Be that as it may, staying aware of this speedy industry is certainly not a simple errand. In this way, numerous financial backers and dealers who need to exploit the market to create huge gains are drawn to Cardano. Stay close by for an intensive clarification of how Cardano cost expectation functions, its specialized examination, and what's on the horizon for Cardano in the event that you're attempting to enter the Cardano exchanging market. In any case, remember that in the event that you want long-haul achievement and benefits, exchanging digital currencies is a constant undertaking that calls for both tolerance and examination. How about we plunge profound into the blog entry to comprehend whether this coin checks out for you? What is Cardano? Cardano, frequently known as the potential Ethereum executioner, stands high in the crypto market with secure blockchain innovation, progressive savvy agreements, and application cases. Cardano, which exchanges under the image ADA, was presented by Charles Hoskinson and utilized a proof-of-stake component, in which holders of the cash are accused of checking exchanges as a trade-off for a prize. The top digital money trades permit you to take part in marking with no cost, making it an engaging choice to produce pay. Cardano's emphasis on peer-assessed information and proof-based approaches in its improvement separates it from other digital currencies. Most of the digital money market goes quick, yet Cardano swings the alternate way. It moves all the more leisurely and deliberately. The benefit is that it improves designers' probability of distinguishing possible dangers, albeit a great deal of hypothesis is engaged with anticipating valuing development for Cardano and the bigger digital currency market. There are a few expected significant movers for Cardano not too far off. You can follow a reasonable and truth-put-together perspective with respect to your exchanging-related choices through specialized examination. Following are probably the most utilized specialized markers. Essential examination: Cardano's unmistakable incentive is its certain strength. They aren't expecting to catch the whole market for shrewd agreements and dApps. All things being equal, they focus on building a functional decentralized monetary area for the creating scene. The Cardano settlement layer and Cardano calculation layer design keep up with everything coordinated and adaptable concerning innovation. The Cardano group has held the record part of the blockchain unmistakable from the process part of the blockchain because of their obligation to straightforwardness. In addition, Cardano pushes out around 700 commitments each week and arrives at roughly 100 and 150 designers reliably chipping away at the task. Because of these critical quantities of engineers, the coin is probably going to overwhelm Ethereum in market strength and is the most effectively evolved blockchain project. As the organization's power increments with decentralization and the ADA token stockpile is set at 45 billion, there are expected benefits for financial backers to buy, keep, and stake ADA tokens. Cardano is right now worth 36 cents USD. ADA has moved 0.14% as of now with an exchanging volume of $221,758,854. Cardano is at present position 7 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $13,605,721,765 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union uniqueness from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Cardano to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Cardano market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Cardano Value Expectation 2023. Cardano, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The ADA cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to 55 cents. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 51 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable soon given expected joint efforts and headways. ADA is supposed to have a base worth of 44 cents. Cardano Value Expectation 2024. Out of 2024, Cardano ADA cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ADA will before long outperform 92 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the ADA's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ADA will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 73 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 81 cents. Cardano value expectation 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $1.29 and ADA might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ADA is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.18 and a low of $1.11 in 2025. Cardano value expectation 2026. On the off chance that Cardano effectively supports market feeling among digital currency fans, the ADA coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ADA will be green in 2026. The ADA is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $1.66, with a base cost of $1.48 and a typical cost of $1.55. Cardano value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the ADA cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.92 by 2027, with a base cost of $1.85 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ADA has a greatest value worth of $2.03. Cardano value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.29. In the event that ADA figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $2.40. Neglecting to assemble the help ADA needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $2.22. Cardano value expectation 2029. While ADA is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been put at $2.59 and a yearly cost close above $2.77 in 2029. Cardano value forecast 2030. By 2030, Cardano will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $2.96 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $3.14, averaging out at $3.03. Cardano value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest ADA cost in 2031 is projected to be $3.62 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $3.48. And Cardano may not encounter a moment blast, but rather it can possibly keep contending with the best digital forms of money. Cardano's innovation and future endeavors are energizing by their own doing, as are other productive cryptographic money choices. In this way, while you probably shouldn't rush out and purchase your ADA today, it's valuable on your radar as innovation develops. Keep in mind, it's not possible for anyone to ensure benefit when you are exchanging a digital currency, so it's smarter to explore than to lament. What is the Cardano cost today? Today, Cardano is exchanging at 36 cents with a complete market capitalization